This AI creates AI music video, AI dance video, and more, all from a click. Crazy, right? Just take a look at this AI music that I created. Now also take a look at the music video.
Sunrise waking my lazy bones. Rhythm in my veins feels like home.
It shock you, Abby? Now take a look at the dance video.
Sunrise waking my lazy bones. Rhythm in my veins feels like home. I dance with the breeze, it's my own zone.
Crazy, right? Now let me show you how to do this all by yourself. First of all, click the link in the description box of this video. Once you click the link in the description box of this video, it's going to take you straight to this website. Alright, so here we are on this website. It's called Freebit AI. I'm already logged into my account, but yours are going to sign up for an account. Now, while signing up for an account, make sure to use this code showing on my screen. I'll try and leave it also in the description box. Now, what this code is going to do for you is, in case you want to upgrade your plan from a free plan to a paid plan, they're going to give you 10% discount for using this particular code. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started with this tutorial. Now, this website is not only music that you can create. There are a whole lot of things that you can do with this particular AI. Just click at this top bar here. Once you click on this top bar, you are going to see apps. Click on the apps, and you're going to see a lot of things that you can do with this AI. Music to dance video, music to release video, music generator, AI video effects, images, subject reference image, free stock, like a lot of things. But we are going to be focusing on the music part in this tutorial. Just click on music generator. You can see music generator here. Click on music generator. Now, once you click on the music generator, it's going to bring you to this interface. This is where you enter the music that you want to generate, and this is where you select whether it is going to be instrumental or just normal music. And here you select the AI that you want to use for the music. So if you click on it, you're going to see different models. You can see stable audio, minimize music, Suno AI, which is very popular. So I'm just going to use Suno 4.5, and then the music is going to be Afrobeat song. Afrobeat song about the hard economy of Nigeria. So the music is a Afrobeat song about the hard economy of Nigeria. Now you can also paste your own lyrics if you want to, but me, I just have the idea. So you just click on create. You can see that this is going to cost me 35 credits. Now, I forgot to mention, upon signing up, they're going to give you 500 credits. That 500 credits, you can start to use it to do a lot of things on their website. Now, if you exhaust your credit, you can decide to go for one of their plans, your choice. So click on create. And now it's creating the music for me. So you can see I've already created a lot of music using this website. So let's wait for our music to generate. And now our music is ready. Let's play it and see what we have.
across our bed. Dreams on the pavement, dust in the wind. Where does the hustle stop? Where does it begin? Mama says pray, Papa says grind, but the naira's lost like it's hiding in time. We dey dance, we dey move, but the ground no dey groove. We dey sweat, we dey try, but the bread no dey buy. Oh Nigeria, oh my home, we dey fight for the bone.
If you are feeling these beats, let me know in the comment section. I would have played the music till the end, but I don't want this video to be lengthy. So you can see that this music is up to 2 minutes plus. So if you are feeling these beats, let me know in the comments. So just click here to download your music. So I'm just going to click here, and the music is going to be downloaded straight to my phone. Now let's head to the next part, that is music video. So I'll just click on music to music video. Now this is the interface of music to music video. This is the same interface for music to dance video. You can see it here. You can see music video, dance video. And this is where you upload your music. This is where you upload your music, or you can just paste the Spotify link here if you have one, or any music platform you are using. You can just paste the music URL here if you don't have the music in your phone. So I'm just going to upload this music that we generated right now. All right, so now I'm uploading the music. You can see decoding the rhythm and the lyrics. So let's just wait a little. All right, so it has loaded. You can see that it automatically selected 30 seconds for me. If I want, I can extend it based on I have a pro plan. So, but for you that is using a free plan, you can just try the 30 seconds on. So I'm just going to go with this 30 seconds on for faster generation. Now just click here. You can see that we have music video and dance video. So we are going for the option of music video now. Then click on music video. Then here is where you select the aspect ratio, and here is where you input the background idea. So I'm just going to say streets of Lagos. Streets of Lagos. All right, so this is the background idea. Now yours might be different depending on the type of music video that you want to generate. So now you can see remove watermark. This is on. Yours, you may not be able to remove the watermark because you are using the free plan. So I'm just going to click on generate. You can see that this music video is going to cost us 300 credits to generate. So I'm just going to click on generate, and you choose your 18 plus, and that's it. So now our music video is generating. You can see waiting in line. So let's just wait and see what we did together. After that, we go to dance video. All right, so our music video is ready. You can see it here. This is the music video. So just click on it, and then you can see that the AI break everything down into scene by scene, like different scenes. So let's just play it and see what we did together. Let me move this, and
No light, no water, no peace in the air. Street.
all right, so that's the music video. You can see how easy this thing is. The AI generated both the music, the scenes, everything, animation, all by itself. All I'm just doing is just to give it a command. So just click here to download. Now you can also edit these scenes if you like. So you can just, like, say this particular scene that is selected, if I want to edit it, I can just re-edit this prompt, then click on regenerate, and then it's going to be edited. Say for instance, this part of white people that is showing here, if I want to edit it, let's say I want to edit this particular one, I'll just select it. Then once I select it, I'll click here and edit the prompt. I will be like maybe change these people to black people or something, and then I hit on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate this particular scene. So you can also edit all your scenes if you want to. But me, I don't want to edit anything, so I'm just going to click on download, and this is going to be downloaded straight to my phone. So let me just download it, and then we go to dance video. Alright, now I've downloaded the music video to my phone. Now just click here and you go to music to video again. You want to go for the dance video, that is this one, so you can see what we did together. So I'm just going to upload, click here to also upload the music again. Alright, so now the music is uploaded. Now for this option, I'm going to choose the option of dance video. That is this one. You know, the first one we went for music video, but now we want to create a dance video using this music. So I'm just going to select dance video, and here is where you upload your own image. Maybe if you have an avatar that you want to use for the dance video, you can just click here to upload it. If you don't, just click on the template. So if you click on the template, you're going to see different avatars that you can use for the dance video. So I'm just going to select this guy. So I've selected the avatar that I want to use for the dance video. You can also upload your own avatar if you have an avatar ready. Then here is where you select the style, the dance gen. So just click here and you can see different ones. So I'll just go for this one, hip hop. I'll go for hip hop. And then here is where you select the background. Let me show you guys. This is where you select the background. So click here to select the background that you want for the dance video. So you can see white, green screen. You can also generate green screen dance videos. You can see the template. You can also upload your own background if you have a background that you want to use. So I want to select from their templates. So I'll just go to templates. And which one do I select? Let me just select this one. Merry Christmas. Alright, so I've selected the background I want to use. Now this is where you choose the aspect ratio. This is, I'm leaving it at 16:9. That's the YouTube ratio, and we hit on generate. Alright, now it's going to generate the dance video for us. You can see I've generated some dance video before, so let's just wait and see what we did together. If you want to know more about these websites, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section. How do you see these AI videos and dance video and the music as well? Do you love the beats? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so now our dance video is ready. Let me play so that we can see what we generated together.
No light, no water, no peace in the air.
Alright, so you can see how easy it is to create music video, dance video, all from one platform just by clicking buttons. So this brings us to the end of this video. To get access to the platform, use the link in the description box and use the code for a discount price. See you on my next video. Peace out.